So my story is a little different. We're here in the Forgotten Borough, Staten Island, New York. We're a three-generation business. In 1942, my grandfather and my uncle started Will John's Auto Service. My dad came into the business, turned the business even into a bigger monster, took over in like 1970. 1992, we moved across the street and I took over. And again, it was wheels. We started doing some lift kits and it was really cool. It was a nice run. It was a third generation. It was a great feel to be a part of the business. I think 2006, 2007, we really started growing and it's been quite a ride. Hi, I'm Rob Gulley, founder of Never Ride Stock. We're not the biggest shop. We don't make the most money. I was very lucky to have a great partner come in and help me build the future of Never Ride Stock.
My name is Chrisitan Zagami. I'm one of the owners here at Never Ride Stock. I was 15 years old. I was a legacy at the shop that Rob owned. Rob asked me if I needed a job.
Christian's both older sisters worked for me at the shop, and Christian also worked for me at the shop answering phones when he was a kid. So to get Christian on at about, I think he was about 24, 25, we became partners.
And we slowly but surely grew the business little by little. We were just tinting windows out of a one-bay shop.
We did a major renovation, made the place our own, PPF on one side, tint on the other. Since then, it hasn't stopped. Just like any other shop, after you max out with your PPF and you realize how much you can do and how much tint you can do, you're like, okay, we've grown to a point, now what do we do? Sure enough, we know as auto shops, if you're not diversified, you're in trouble. When we realized it was time to expand, we started getting asked questions here at the automotive shop. Hey, do you do flat glass? Do you do architectural film? And it was shocking that we weren't putting it out there. We weren't advertising it.
We've grown the automotive side tremendously, and we knew that the natural progression would be to move into architectural film.
After XDC last year, of course, we were talking about flat glass, and we were like, man, we really want to get into this. How do we bridge that gap? How do we get there? After speaking to Chris, after speaking to Harry, well, we found out we have the support with XPEL. And that XPEL has products to service Manhattan and New York City and Hoboken is huge for our expansion and our future. You know, when you speak about architectural film or flat glass, it's a great field. There's a lot of work out there for everybody. I wish you could see what it really did for our company, and not just monetarily, and we have the products. Don't sleep on it.